Hey, welcome back to the channel, you guys. It's finally nice to be back out again. I know I've been away for some time, just been trying to stay at home, save some money, with everything getting more expensive, but had a really bad itch to come out and decided to hit up my cousin Lavi to see if he wanted to do some fishing. And we settled on Bass Lake just because we've been hearing that the fishing out here has been pretty good. It's starting to pick up, and with springtime, the views are really nice as well. So we thought, why not come out here, test it out, see how it is. It's currently 7 o'clock right now. We got here around 6, so it took us about an hour to get ready. We kind of wanted to wait till the sun came up to warm up a little bit. It was really cold this morning, but it looks like the conditions today are pretty good as well. It's currently 46 degrees right now. The highest is around 63 from what I can see. Just gonna have to hope that in the morning it starts warming up and these fish are more active. I'm not sure how the morning bite's going to be, but we're just gonna have to test it out. Might be kind of slow, so we might end up just having to wait till it warms up, and hopefully these fish are pushing up. As always, going to be targeting bass today, but if we manage to catch onto some trout and some crappie, might try to get those as well and make it a multi-species day, but mainly just going to be focused on bass. They should be on beds, so hopefully we can catch them on some beds. Yeah, anyways, going to get the yak launched in the water right now. It's already rigged up and get on to some fishing. But anyways, stay tuned, you guys. Alright, you guys, sun is peeking out right above the shore. Sun is peeking out right just above the mountain, the hill. So we're gonna do some top water. Oh, we got our first bass. Let's go on the top water. It doesn't feel big, but man, they sure fight. I can't even see that one. The glare on that sun is too bright. Oh yeah, I got him good. Oh, nice, a good sized spot. Come here. Woo! First fish in the boat. On the top water, you guys. Alright. That's a nice bass. Nothing too crazy, nothing to brag about. At least we got our skunk off. Yeah, they are really shallow. This guy was right along the bank. Look at that. I want to say almost 1.5 pound, like a 14 incher. Not bad for a spotted. Right there, you guys. Little 1 pounder. Well, I'd say almost like 2 maybe, but good keeper size. I'm gonna give him the release. Thank you for the bite. All right, there he goes. Holy crud. Caught a trout. Oh shoot. Rainbow trout. Off the mooch. Oh, fish on. Oh. Let's go. Finally hooked up. It's fighting hard. Oh my goodness, Lovey. He's fighting. Dude. Lovey.
Oh, you might have a good one.
Oh, that's a good size, bro. Not bad, dude. Oh my goodness. Yo. Oh, he's pulling out drag like a champ. Let's go. Damn. Damn. Jeez. A solid 3 or 4, bro. Let's go, you guys. Off the mid stroke. Oh, I got him in the eye. Not good. Right there, you guys. Nice solid 3. Look at the gut. All right, time to give him the release. There he goes. You need that? You need that? Rod tip down, bro. Rod tip down. Where's he at? It's alright, it's alright. You have him on your minnow?
Yeah.
Okay, just pull him up. Just pull him up. Your hook won't come out.
No, but it's a big, very thin.
I know.
You sure you're gonna do it?
Yeah, I got you.
Wait, I think we should wait until he gets hella tired.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Can you see how big he is?
I know, I know. I caught one already.
Oh my god.
You gotta set your drag a little more. Set it.
Like loose or?
No, higher. You're not even pulling the line. There you go. I see him.
Whoa.
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. You almost got him.
Oh my god.
Oh, I almost had him.
Oh my gosh.
Keep pulling. Okay. Get ready to
Super big rainbow.
Get ready to lift.
Look,
Shush it! Dude, that thing's huge!
That's a 10!
Dude!
Hey, let's go!
Oh shit! Hey, what did I tell you? Off the move, bro.
It came off! That's a 10! Oh my god! That's a 10!
What the fuck?
Dude, that's a 10. No, keep it in there. Keep it in there with you.
What does it say? 2 pounds. Oh, what? No, it's going up. 5 pound, bro.
7.
7?
7-11.
7. Yeah, 7-11.
It's a new PB.
Right there. 7-11.
Now that's a real trophy. Oh my gosh.
Oh. I'm on. I don't know what it is.
Oh my gosh.
I think it's a bass. Wait, it feels like a... It's a bluegill! Oh, it's a bluegill! Damn, it's a bluegill, bro!
Oh
Damn! I hooked him on the outside, bro.
That's what it is.
Shala, who wants this bluegill, bro?
Put it next to the fucking
Dead trout.
trout, bro.
Oh my goodness,
That's
bro.
what it is, huh?
That's what it is. Freaking bluegills, bro. All right. Dude, I got a bass biting my crappie jig. Yep. It's a bass. Yes, sir. Imagine it's a crappie. goodness. Alright guys, caught a bass on the crappie jig. Trying to find some crappie, but ended up catching some bass. I guess it's a multi-species day. Alright. Let's go. Finally got a trout. Oh, that's a beautiful trout. Rainbow? Yes, sir. I got you, bro. You may have taken my spinner, but I still got you on the mooch. Perfectly hooked, too. Ah. Man, I thought it was gonna be a bass day. Ended up just being a trout day. Well, that's one beautiful trout. He is gonna be set free. Just want to catch him for fun, because I really cannot be catching these bass apparently. Oh, come on, you're just sitting there in the net. Alright. That one took forever to get. Jeez Louise. Well, it's good to know that I can still catch them off the mooch, even if I lost my only spinner. Oh well, we'll make do with what we got. Oh! Bro, this is crazy. Let's go, Lovey. Yes, sir. Oh, he's barely hooked. Let's go, you guys. My electronics died due to my battery running out of juice. So I had to, you know, come up with the second plan and decided, you know, why not throw a whopper popper with the trout pattern. And look what we have here. Blind fishing never fails. Nothing impressive, but honestly just glad to be able to catch on to some fish. But yep, that right there is a Bass Lake 1 pounder. All right, buddy. Thank you for the bite. Thank you for giving me that chance to get one on the top. Man, I've been fishing all day. Never really thought it was gonna be a really multi-species day, but you know, had to really salvage it just because, man, these bass are super finicky. They just like do not want to cooperate. Yeah, I've just been trying my best to catch fish, but it's just been a really tough time. You know, I found some on a bed, and man, I spent like, honestly, 2 hours there just trying different plastics and trying to see if I can, you know, figure out what they want to bite, but man, they just did not want to bite. I have a feeling maybe it was because I spooked them, but they just did not want to bite, unfortunately. But yeah, just gonna make the most out of it. You know, we pretty much said we're gonna fish the whole rest of the day. So yeah, we're probably gonna wait till sundown and head home. But until now, until then, we're just gonna be fishing top. Oh man. Not gonna lie, this is a lot of fun. Better than looking at a screen all day.